Oh, way they go. Prince Carlo, Dondon's entry, moving up by the rails. Go, Belize. A toy for us also rushing up is Andy's Ram Hardway. A toy for us by Alenkin Hapal by Go, Belize. Dondon's entry is racing third by Sam two lengths, followed now by Andy's Ram and by the rail Prince Carlo Hardway. Nearing the far turn, a toy for us via Lenken Hapal by Go Belize. On this Ram is racing on the outside. Don's entry. Hardway is racing in P by Sam Trelang Prince Carlo. As they race the last 500, a toy for us. On this Ram is on the outside. Go Belize, Don's entry. Hardway remains in P Prince Carlo. As they race the final corner. On this Ram by Alenken up, Atoy for us in second. Don's entry. Gobilis Hardway is remains in fifth position. Prince Carlo and nearing the finish line. Better go down and collect for Andy's Ram. Atoy for us. Don's entry. Hardway took fourth. Close Prince Carlo. Gobilis.